Good morning students, and this is your GK class. We have already completed the whole portion and now we are going to revise the questions. Here are some examples, and wait, this is your revision sheet and you have to give two examples of whichever things is asked. Two examples. Suppose tree, then banyan, neem, people, any two trees you can give examples. Suppose fruit, mango, banana. So like that only. Here is the example of monument in Delhi, and there are many monuments in Delhi. You have to give how many examples? 2. Red Fort is in Delhi. Qutub Minar is in Delhi. Rajghat is in Delhi. Lotus Temple is in Delhi. India Gate is in Delhi. So any 2 examples. You don't need to write all these. Only 2 examples you have to give. Any 2 monuments you can write in your copy. Now next question is monument in Agra. And the monument in Agra, first of all you have studied about the Taj Mahal. It is also known as the sign of love, isn't it? And who made Taj Mahal? Shah Jahan, isn't it? Why? In the memory of his wife. What was the name of his wife? Mumtaz Mahal. Next is Agra Fort. Agra Fort is also in Agra only, and Taj Mahal is also in Agra. Next, see monument built by Shah Jahan. My dear, Shah Jahan was known as a good architect in Indian history, and that also in Mughal Empire. During the Mughal Empire, Shah Jahan is known as good architect. Architect is the person who designs the buildings. Okay, and Shah Jahan has built many buildings, like Red Fort also. Red Fort was also built by Taj Mahal. So these 2 buildings are built by Shah Jahan. Female badminton player. Already you have studied about the female athletes. In that there is name of 2 badminton player, and both have participated in Olympic Games and both have won the medals. One is Saina Nehwal. I think it is in chapter 31. In 2012 she has won the medal for Olympic, and next is PV Sindhu. In 2016 also she got, and this year also in Summer Olympic Tokyo she won the silver medal. So these 2 are the female badminton player. Now we will go to the next. And this is the monument listed in UNESCO World Heritage Site. And my dear, what is the UNESCO World Heritage Site? This is a site made by World Group of the UNESCO group. Okay, and here the main buildings, which is the attraction corner for the tourist. That buildings and that monuments are listed in UNESCO World Heritage Site. And some of the buildings of India is Qutub Minar, Taj Mahal, Agra Fort, Red Fort, Qutub. And where is Qutub Minar? It is in Delhi. and it was built by Qutbuddin Aibak. Qutub Minar, Taj Mahal, and all of you know very nicely about Taj Mahal. Who built Taj Mahal? Shah Jahan. And upon what? Upon white marble. And Agra Fort also, it was also built by Taj Mahal, and both Taj Mahal and both Agra Fort is also in the UNESCO World Heritage Site, and was built by Shah Jahan. Now we will see the next monument in Rajasthan, and we will see the monument in Rajasthan. And my dear, Hawa Mahal is built in Rajasthan. Okay, first of all, Hawa Mahal, and City Palace is also built in Rajasthan. And you know who built Hawa Mahal and why it is called the Hawa Mahal? Hawa Mahal is a monument in which there are 953 windows, and there are crossing door and windows. Wait, I am writing the name first. And there are crossing doors and windows which allow breeze to blow through the palace and make it a perfect summer palace. Okay. And next is City Palace. And City Palace is also built in Rajasthan, and it was built by Mewar dynasty 400 years ago. It was built by, City Palace was built by Mewar dynasty, and it is built 400. See children, this will be your CW today. So pay attention very nicely and try to understand it. Which picture is this? This is the picture of Lotus Temple, isn't it? This is the picture of Lotus Temple, and where it is located? In New Delhi. To which religion does it relates? With Baha'i religion. Which shape it is? You can see the shape of a lotus flower. It is the shape in lotus flower. This is a temple, but there is not a single picture of any god or goddess inside this temple. Now I will show you some few sentences about the Lotus Temple. See here. It is known for its beautiful flower-like architecture and marvelous ambience that make it a popular tourist attraction for people of the faiths. Faith means those who are having belief in God, those who believe in something, isn't it? The Baha'i Lotus Temple is one of the world's most beautiful religious building and a must visit when Delhi. It is a tourist spot also, and when you go to Delhi you must visit it because it is very beautiful, and the park which surrounds the Lotus Temple, that is also very beautiful. Now I will ask you some question related to this Lotus Temple. Okay? And how many Lotus Temples are built all over the world? Let me see the questions. How many Baha'i temples are built all around the world? And how many in the place of wait? It is many. How many Baha'i temples are built around the world? And it is 7. 7 Baha'i temples, and then we will copy. Baha'i temples are built around the world, and our answer will be completed. Okay? Now see the next question. What is the shape of the Baha'i temple? And which shape it is? We have already seen it is in the shape of a lotus flower, isn't it? Which makes it look very beautiful. Next question is, what is the message of the Baha'i religion. And what is the message of the Baha'i religion? You know, Baha'i religion tells us about world peace. Means all the religion, none of the religion tells us to fight on the basis of caste, religion, or color, anything. All the religion, the message of any religion, whether it is Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, they gives us to live in peace and harmony, to be united, to serve for the people. And the same message Baha'i religion gives, achieving world peace through the establishment of unity, justice and equality. You will see this justice and equalities words are in our constitution also. Our constitution doesn't discriminate the people on the basis of caste, creed, religion, region, means place. So this is the message of Baha'i temple. Now thank you children. Have a nice day. Bye bye.